Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a website using WordPress and the Astra theme. First, you'll need to choose a reliable web host and a domain name for your site. Once that's set up, install WordPress on your hosting account. After WordPress is ready, install and activate the Astra theme, then add the Starter Templates plugin. This combination provides a powerful foundation for your new online presence. With Astra and the Starter Templates plugin installed, you can now explore a vast library of pre-designed website templates. These templates save you significant time and effort. Browse through various categories, filter by your preferred page builder, and preview options to find the perfect look. Once you've made your selection, import the entire site with just one click to get started quickly. After importing a template, it's time to make it uniquely yours. You can easily edit all elements like text, images, and colors directly on the page. Use the WordPress customizer to adjust global settings such as typography, site identity, and overall layout. This allows you to maintain a consistent brand across your entire website. Feel free to add new pages and content sections as needed. Once your website looks great, thoroughly review all pages to ensure everything is perfect before going live. Check for mobile responsiveness to guarantee a seamless experience on all devices. Install essential plugins for search engine optimization and security to protect your site and improve visibility. Remember to regularly update WordPress, your theme, and plugins for optimal performance and security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.